Okay. Hello, hi everyone. I am Varaprasad. Okay. In this video, we will discuss one more Salesforce interview question. Okay. What is the purpose of without sharing keyword in a Salesforce? Okay. Even if we are not specifying any keyword in the class, that class will run on without sharing mode only. Correct. So then, why we need to specify without sharing keyword in the class? Okay. We'll see in example. Okay. So, for example, generally, with sharing means user mode, whatever the sharing rules and everything will be applicable here. Without sharing means like system mode, no sharing settings and even nothing will be applicable here. So, for example, we'll take one class with sharing class. So, this class will run on the user mode. User mode means whatever the permissions he is having, you can see only that records only. Correct? Like without sharing means uh, like it will run on the system mode. So you will see complete organization records. So sharing rules will be not applicable in the without sharing class. Sharing rules will be not applicable in the without class. Okay, sharing rules will be not enforced. Will not applicable here. Okay, but sharing rules will be applicable in this with sharing class. Okay, for example, uh, if we will call this GHI class in ABC class. Okay, I equal to new GHI. So now whatever the actions is there in this class, those class will run on the like system user mode only. But whatever the buttons actions you have written in the logic in this GHI class, this class will completely run on the without sharing mode, means system mode only. Okay. So you understood, right? If you are calling without sharing class in the with sharing keyword, then the GHI class will run on the based on like system mode only, means no sharing rules will be applicable. Okay, just remember this point. If we will call without sharing class in the with sharing class, then GHI class will run on the system mode only. That's it. For example, we'll take another class here, this class. So here we are not specifying any keyword. With sharing is not there and without sharing also not there. So then this class will act like a without sharing only. So both are similar. Just here we have specified without sharing keyword. Here we are not specifying without sharing keyword. That's it. Here also sharing rules are not applicable if we will run this class individually. Okay, individually it will individually. Okay, individually this class also sharing rules will be not applicable. So this class also runs like a system mode only. Okay. For example, now I will call this df class in with sharing class. For example, I will call this class in df class. Okay, then this class will run on the user mode or system mode. Okay, here that is the purpose of without sharing keyword in the class. So if you are not specifying any keyword, this class also will act like a without sharing only. But if you are not mentioning the keyword, so that's the reason if you will call this class in the with sharing class, so this class will run on the with sharing class only. If we specify keyword, then this class will run on the system mode. Understood, right? Here we are not specifying any keyword. So this is both are similar but individually. But if we this here keyword is there in this class, keyword is not there. That's it. But if you are calling without sharing class keyword in with whatever the class is, GHI class is having without sharing keyword. So if you'll call GHI class here, so this class will run. This class is like running on based. This class will run on system mode only. But here this class is not contains without sharing keyword. If we'll call this keyword, so this class will run on the user mode. That's it. That is the simple difference between the without sharing keyword and no, we are not specifying keyword in the class. Okay. So that's the reason if you want to run complete code in the without sharing only always, you need to specify without sharing keyword. If you don't want, if you see, for example, our requirement is if you want to call some classes on the with sharing class, so that time we need to specify without sharing keyword. If you are not specifying keyword, if we are not specifying any keyword, then this class will run on the user mode with sharing mode. If you are specifying keyword, then this class will run on the like system mode only. Okay, that's the purpose of what without sharing keyword in the class. Simple definition is if we will call without sharing keyword class, then this class will run on the system mode only. If we are calling any we are not calling df class, here we are not specified any keyword, then this class will run on the with sharing class user mode. This class will run on the system mode in this class. So that is the purpose. Always based on our requirement, we need to run either system mode or user mode. We need to specify without sharing keyword. Okay. One more time I will tell you is if we will call this class, this is class also act like without sharing keyword. So if we will call this one in the with sharing class, this class will run on the user mode. If we will call this GHI class in the with sharing class, this class will run on the system mode. So that's the reason always, if based on our requirement, we need to use without sharing keyword in the class. Okay, I hope this will help you and you understood. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, you can search with the Salesforce start in this is my channel. Already I have uploaded so many Salesforce related questions. These questions will help you in your interview process. Okay, and I will upload you even every week. I will upload some new questions. These are the some real-time interview questions only. My friends are facing these questions in real time in all companies. So this will help you in your interview process, and you will easily crack your interview. Okay, if you like these videos, please subscribe my channel. Okay, you can click here this subscribe button and you can subscribe my channel. Okay, thanks guys, have a good day, bye.